Hello, my name is Lori Delpino, Head of Exhibitor Engagement. This is our second tutorial, step 2, create your Teams account. So as shown on step 1, login and profile information, how to set that up. The second step to making the best of, as an exhibitor of the networking platform, is creating your Teams account. Now, Teams is a event meeting management solution that we have created for you, where you can invite your entire team and collaborate, delegate meetings, and share your entire event calendar. That helps you be more efficient, see your overall team's calendar for that event, and potentially anticipate the return on investment on the event and make a higher return on investment. So the first step to create your Teams is to connect to the platform. If you do not know how to connect to the platform, please refer to step 1, tutorial 1 on how to log in and set up your profile. Now, right now, my profile and my logins are already set up, so I'm just going to log in. So right now, I'm logged in successfully. So the first thing I do now is I'm going to click on the little icon on the top right called Team. What it is asking me here is to get started with my Teams. So I click on it and I write my team name. Here I'm calling it Apple, as I am acting as Steve Jobs. So I go ahead and create my team. Now, the first thing that is asked from me is to add my team members. So what I can do here, and don't worry, you can keep adding team members once you log into your Teams, but I'm going to start by inviting one of my team members here. So first name, last name, email, job title, here we go, and their role, and to define their role. So 2 types of role, team member or admin. I will be explaining the different team member role in just a second. In this case, I'm just going to make her a team member, and I can, if I want to add more people and invite 2 people at a time, I click here on add another member. So here I'm going to add myself. There you go. And again, do not worry. If you don't remember everyone's information, you can always go back and invite additional team members, and that will show you. So now I'm ready. So now I can, okay, so it works. I think and as you can see here, I can decide to delete a line if I have created one. And here it goes. I go invite members. All my members have received an email inviting them to the platform. Now that I'm ready, I click on done. Here I have a little pop-up chat with frequently asked questions and articles that you can relate to if you have any questions. Here, if you click on team members, this is what I was saying, you can always go back and see a full record of team members that have been invited or are connected to the platform. So as you can see, my team right now has already 4 members and 1 that is pending and they need to be approved. So if this pending person, which is me, if I wanted to remind them to connect and create their Teams and networking account, I would click on copy invitation link here, and I'll be able to send it in a chat, in an email to her, and saying, hey, don't forget to connect to the platform and create your Teams account. Now, what you can do also in this section that is called team members is you can edit team members' profile. So here, as you can see, I can go and edit profile. Last name, first name, all the questions, save, go back. And I can also change each different team members' roles. So as I said to you, you have different roles here. You have admin or team member. So the difference between admin and team member is an admin can edit the company profile as well as edit other team team member's profile and invite additional members, as opposed to a team member that cannot do any of these three things. So that is up to you when inviting people to know who you want to make a team member and give none of this access, none of this permission to, or someone that you want to make an admin and you want to give all these permissions to. As I was saying earlier, you can always go ahead and invite additional members by clicking on here. And that's it for now on how to create your teams and invite your team members.